Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis. The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. Wang Chuqin versus Tomokazu Harimoto. Who is better? Hi, welcome back to PingSunday. I'm EmRatThich. How are you today? We will delve into the rivalry between these two players and argue why Wang Chuqin stands out as the superior player.
One. Round two. 1-2.
Head-to-head record. A significant indicator of a player's skill and dominance is their head-to-head record against their opponents. In the case of Wang Chuqin and Tomokazu Harimoto, the numbers speak for themselves. Wang Chuqin has demonstrated remarkable consistency and superiority over Harimoto, boasting a flawless 5-0 record in their matchups. Recent WTT champion Macau 2023. The recent WTT champion Macau 2023 provided yet another opportunity for Wang Chuqin and Tomokazu Harimoto to showcase their talents and compete for the title. Once again, Wang Chuqin emerged triumphant, reinforcing his superiority over Harimoto.
3. 4. 5. 6. 4. 6. 4. 7. 8.
This victory serves as a testament to Wang Chuqin's exceptional skills and ability to perform under pressure. Wang Chuqin's superiority. While statistics can provide an objective perspective, it is essential to understand why Wang Chuqin is considered the better player. One significant aspect is Wang Chuqin's dominant left-hand play style. As a left-handed player, he possesses a natural advantage over right-handed opponents, including Harimoto. Additionally, Wang Chuqin's technical prowess is commendable. His footwork, timing, and shot selection demonstrate a level of control and precision that sets him apart. Wang Chuqin's ability to consistently execute powerful offensive shots.
11-8, game 2, Harimoto. 1, love. Round 2. Round 3, 1. 3, 2. 4. 3, 4. 4, 4. 5, 4. 4, 6. 4, 7. 7, 5. 8. 6, 8. 7, 8. 9, 7. 9, 8. 11, 8. Love 1. 2, love.
Wang Chuqin's style is very aggressive. Wang Chuqin also defeated Ma Long several times. Furthermore, Wang Chuqin's mental strength and composure during crucial moments have proven to be crucial factors in his success against Harimoto. He has displayed resilience, maintaining his focus even when facing difficult situations. This mental fortitude allows him to make strategic decisions, anticipate his opponent's moves, and seize crucial opportunities. While both Wang Chuqin and Tomokazu Harimoto are exceptional table tennis players, Wang Chuqin's consistent head-to-head record and recent victory in the WTT champion Macau 2023 underline his superiority. His left-hand advantage, technical skills, mental strength, and adaptability set him apart from his opponents, including Harimoto.
5. 7, 7, 6. 6. 7. 9. 9, 8. 9, 9. 10, 9. 11, 9. Game 2, 1, 2, 1, love. 1, 1. 2, 1. 1, 3. 1, 4. 8, 8. 9, 8. 8, 10. 11, 8. Game. 1, love. 6. 7, 6. 7. 8. 8. 8. 9, 8. 8, 10. 11, 8. Game 2, Harimoto. 1, love. 2. 3, 4, 5, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7, 10, 7, 11, 7, game and match to Wang Chuqin. Wang Chuqin wins.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.